If you listen to your customers, what do they want in a barbecue nowadays? What are the? I mean, there's a lot of fads. There's a lot of things coming. I mean, we've got Heston Blumenthal doing a little cube, and we've got Gordon Ramsay getting into the barbecue game now, and everybody seems to be in there.
And all of that stuff. Yeah, customers don't come into me and say, "Hey, I saw a barbecue on TV, and it was Guy Fieri barbecuing on a Napoleon." You don't see that. You see durability. You see the company that backs their product, because I'm representing that. Being a designated store, everyone's been in Walmart and Costco and Canadian Tire. And yes, you'll never get rid of those shoppers. But when somebody wants to come into a place to be taken care of, sell a great product, and believe in your product, and that's the old saying, is that you can sell ice to an Eskimo. And if a referral comes into our store, it's 80% sold.
What do you guys call this business of yours?
Paradise LeisureScapes.
How do you become a resident expert here for barbecues? It's not about the manual. Surely you must cook a few things.
You cook a few things, you listen to your customers, you assemble your product, you work with your product.
This is an industry where you sort of get what you pay for, isn't it?
Yes, 100%. 100%. People know of the throwaway society that we live in. They know that if they buy something at Walmart, they're going to throw it away. You buy what you get for at Paradise LeisureScapes. The knowledge, you get the product, you get the support from your sales representative, and then that sales representative doing their job, you got residual business for life. That customer will always come back to you.
There's a lot of options in barbecuing nowadays. You have direct cookers, indirect cookers, charcoal, pellet. You talk about Yoder smokers.
Yeah.
Typically people think this is the thing you're going to use for 12, 13-hour cooks.
Yeah.
But you do some other things with it?
Oh, heavens. Once you're educated on what a Yoder smoker can do for you, opening up your dampers and exposing right to your firebox, it gets at searing temperature. So you can cook your steaks, your burgers, you can cook everything fast, just like a barbecue. But then you're exactly right. You can slow it right down to do your 12, and I'll even say up to 24-hour, depending on your size of your meat. If you actually broke down the science in cooking on gas to cooking on wood pellets, the vitamins and the flavor, everything is just, it's moister. It's just a better experience. I love it because it's healthier. It slows you down a little bit so you can actually enjoy what you're doing. It tastes better. And it's that bringing people together and doing a cookout or up at the cabin, and the smell is the smell is remarkable, right?
So instead of it being just a single-purpose cooking device, you actually have an oven here.
Yes.
This is an oven.
100%.
It's an oven with smoke, means you can bake in it.
Yes.
You can grill in it.
Yes.
You can obviously do the slow cook. Can you do veggies in it?
You can do everything. Everything that is in your grocery store. You can do everything from vegetables to seafood to baking to your meat and whatever creativity you choose to do. So you can do eggs and bacon, and you can do your whole breakfast right outside. And if you've never tasted pancakes on a smoker, you got to try it.
Who do they need to come and talk to?
Well, I'm Lauren. I'm a sales representative at Paradise LeisureScapes. We also have a location in Regina. So if you're in between or you're closer to Regina, they're on Osler Street in Regina. And we have them on display. We have them in stock. And all the accessories too. So it's just come on in and see it. You've got to see this place. It's fantastic.
You can always sell the stove. You can take the wife's stove and you can let that go. Right. And then you can have one of these things and you'll be grand.
That's what I say. Hey,
she wouldn't
why
like
ever
that.
turn the stove on? You never need a stove again if you've got a Yoder.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly.
Yeah, that's
good.
Right.
Let's go cook.
Let's go cook.